In the world of App Store optimization, few things are as powerful or as underestimated as your app's ratings. In this video, we'll break down how ratings affect your app's ranking, reputation, and revenue, and what you can do to improve them starting today. First, let's be clear. Ratings are a ranking factor. Both Apple and Google have confirmed this. A higher average rating signals quality to the algorithm. It increases trust, improves tap-through rates, and ultimately boosts your discoverability in search results and category rankings. So if your app is rated 4.8 with thousands of reviews, the algorithm sees it as more relevant than a 3.2-star app, even if that app has more installs. Quality trumps quantity. But ratings don't just affect rankings, they shape perception. Users make snap decisions. If they see a 2.9-star app, many won't even click. But a 4.5-star app with glowing feedback? That's an instant trust boost. Here's the key. Ratings create a feedback loop. High ratings lead to more trust, more installs, and better rankings. Low ratings lead to fewer taps, lower installs, and weaker rankings. That's why your ASO strategy must include reputation management. Let's talk about how to improve your ratings. Step 1. Ask at the right moment. Use in-app prompts to request reviews, but time them carefully. Ask after a positive experience, like completing a workout, achieving a milestone, or receiving great support. Never interrupt the user flow with aggressive requests. Let feedback feel natural and user-driven. Step 2. Respond to feedback. Both stores allow developers to reply to reviews. Always respond, especially to negative ones. Be empathetic, offer solutions, and thank users for input. Why? Users appreciate it, and the algorithm does too. Apps with active developer responses tend to retain better overall ratings. Step 3. Fix common complaints. Track which features users are praising or criticizing. If multiple people complain about a login bug or UI confusion, fix it fast. Then mention it in your update notes, and encourage users to revise their reviews. Step 4. Flag inappropriate reviews. If a review is spam, irrelevant, or violates platform policies, flag it for removal. It won't solve everything, but it helps protect your reputation from bad actors. Step 5. Use ratings in your messaging. Social proof is powerful. If you've got a 4.9-star average, say it. Use it in your screenshots, your preview video, or your subtitle. Ratings boost trust and conversions. Final thought. Your ratings are more than a score. They're your brand's social proof. They affect how users perceive you, how platforms rank you, and how fast you grow. Protect them, earn them, leverage them. In the next lesson, we'll dig into reviews, how to generate more high-quality ones, and turn them into install-driving assets. But for now, go check your app's rating trend. Is it helping you rise or holding you back?